In this video, we're going to cover starting product research for selling in your business. This is for anybody that's trying to sell offline. So the first thing that we're going to look at is look at your current business and just find out what's selling the best based on inventory reports. Look at supplements, look at creams, gels, depending on what type of business or industry you're in. And depending on what's selling really well, you can take that, rebrand it, put a private label product around that. Next, you want to find something that can just be sold on a recurring basis or will get enough sales to justify creating a brand new brand. Something that's maybe consumable or reusable. Next, you want to take the best-selling product and look at reviews online and see what some of the negative reviews are. And then you can use that information to create a better version, what we call a competitive advantage or a unique selling point. And that's a good way to get started on very simple ways to find a good private label product. Next, we're going to talk about creating a line of products. So the whole point of this course is not just to create one product, but to create a brand to allow you to have a line of them that you can sell within your business. And these products should complement each other. Take, for instance, a yoga studio. You can create a brand, let's call it Sunshine Yoga Products, and you could sell a mat, a carrying case, a yoga block, and a yoga strap. And all of those things would be under one brand, and they would all complement each other. And so you can cross-sell, upsell, downsell, and enhance your yoga studio by having that brand there. All of the products should enhance your services, meaning they shouldn't be just random, products or services like a medical doctor wouldn't sell backpacks, but maybe a chiropractor would, And so you want to find something that matches and enhances your service. And it should definitely match your brand and style of business. If you have an upscale luxury, it should the products that you choose, the quality of the products should match that. And you want to provide people with products that they're already buying online. And so if you have a business, people are going to be buying products on Amazon. And if it matches your brand and it matches the type of service industry that you're in, you might as well offer it to them so they can buy it from you, ensure the quality, rather than from somewhere else like online. Another thing for research is, what are your customers already asking for? So you can ask your audience, do a survey on your social media pages if you've got a good following, like a Twitter poll or a Facebook poll. Do a questionnaire within your business. Make it really simple, really easy, and ask your favorite customers what products they'd want to see. And you can also give a prize for the best answers. You can do a lot of things with this survey. You can ask about brand name, logo design, color scheme, all kinds of cool stuff you can actually just ask right from your customer base. So some of the survey questions you could use, we use surveymonkey.com. But what product would you like to see in our store? What products do you guys use the most for? X, and that could be a condition. It could be, whatever thing people it is that they do to come see you. What's your favorite product for X? What is one product you can't live without that has to deal with X? What don't you like about X product? How can we make X better? And fill in X with whatever makes sense for your business. So some of the competitive advantages that we were talking about earlier. So hop on Amazon, look at some of the products that are already selling within your industry. What you want to do is look at the negative reviews. What customers left 2 and 3 star reviews? What were they saying? What did they dislike about that product? Is there something that's repeated over and over and over in those negative reviews? And can you turn those negative reviews to positive ones? So use that feedback to customize your specific product so it shores up a current product's weaknesses and also makes it more sense so you can price it correctly and maybe price it a little bit more because you've got that competitive advantage. And the last thing that we use for product research are sourcing agency product catalogs. So this has a lot of private label products in there, so no need to reinvent the wheel. Most niche suppliers, they already have private label products ready to go. So just slap your branding on them, start selling within a few short weeks. You can also request samples of products you'd think will sell well and let your customers try them as well. This is also a really good thing to know because once you get your brand rolling, you can source it to the specific sourcing agency that you use for your product. If you get a really good, high quality brand, your packaging is great, and it sells better, then that sourcing agency will definitely want to list your product. That was it for initial product research. We'll get into a little bit more depth coming in the next few videos.